My seeds and water them so they grow. I shine my light so I can reap what I sow, yeah. So when you see me stacking paper and dough, you'll recognize that this here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, I am doing a whole makeover on my new trays that I am selling. As you guys can see, I have purple, blue, and pink. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I was struggling, okay? I had to go get me some help, honey. But anyways, yes, these are now on my website. Everything is down below. You guys can place your orders. Yes, I'm gonna have every color you can name, okay? So this is how I do it, and yeah, tap in, place your orders. I also have this is a tray for the spiritual bath. So when you guys relaxing, taking a spiritual bath, you guys can write in your journal. You guys can have wine on there, put your phone down, you know what I'm saying, but be real careful. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get straight into this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and yeah. I hope you guys like this video. This is the final look. Yes, honey. Glittery. All fresh and so clean. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl.